Crafting is not just a hobby, it's a superpower. In this story, discover 3 amazing DIY hacks that can transform your ordinary items into extraordinary creations. Step by step, let's dive in. Ever thought your old mason jars could become enchanting glow lamps? Here's how. Grab a mason jar, some glow-in-the-dark paint, and a brush. Apply dots of paint inside the jar and let it dry. Charge it under a lamp for a few minutes, and voil an instant bedside lamp with magical vibes. Don't toss those wine corks, turn them into a cute pinboard. Take a wooden frame and arrange wine corks inside. Glue them tightly together and let it dry. Now you have a stylish, eco-friendly pinboard for your notes and photos. Give your space a fresh, modern vibe by making a stylish plant hanger. Take some cotton rope or macrame cord, tie it into simple knots to create a net, and secure it around a small planter. Hang it near a window for a trendy, boho look that's perfect for indoor plants like succulents or ivy. With these simple hacks, you can save money, reduce waste, and unleash your creativity. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get crafting!